Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming hardware and credentials. Check that your router is broadcasting a 5 GHz network with its own SSID. 5 GHz is faster but shorter range. Once done, move the Xbox closer to the router to test signal strength and log into your router admin page. You'll need that to make changes. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi password and that your Xbox profile is signed in. This gets you to the point where you can switch bands without guessing. Now you change the network on the console. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, and choose Set up Wireless Network. The Xbox will list available SSIDs. Select the 5 GHz SSID and enter the password. This forces the console onto the faster band. If the 5 GHz network isn't visible, add it manually with the exact SSID and security type. Make sure to forget the 4 GHz network on the Xbox so it won't auto-connect back. This prevents band switching during active gameplay. Finish by verifying performance. Run the Xbox network test to confirm you received an IP on the 5 GHz band, check NAT type, and measure speed. If the signal is weak, change router channel or reduce channel width to 40 MHz or increase to 80 MHz depending on interference. Moving the router closer often helps. If you hit problems, restart both router and Xbox, then check router firmware. These steps resolve most issues. If not, temporarily revert to 4 GHz while you isolate interference sources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.